Hey, yeah, since YouTube didn't totally dig my other video on which I was outside, I'll do another one. Yes, now, and I know what I'll call this one. Loud noises, Avengers and double standards. Is it okay to like something and not like something else? Because yes, I got shout out. I shouted at when I told my friend that I haven't seen Fast and Furious series at all, which I haven't. But then I discovered that she hasn't seen the first Avengers movie, and that sucks. Because why can she yell at me for something and herself not go see Avengers? Because Avengers is an awesome movie. Bye!